Hey everybody, and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the last video where I introduced you to arrays. I hope that the concepts are starting to stick in your brain and you've practiced a little bit with NetBeans, because now we're going to move forward and you are actually going to demonstrate that you can use arrays, declare them and use them, doing a couple problems in Java. All right, so I'm going to jump right over to the lab. This will be lab 1. This is our first lab of second semester 2022. I know it's weird to say, but you know, we're here. So let me go ahead and just jump in here. So I'm giving you this lab, and basically I picked 2 of the problems that I've always enjoyed doing when it came to Java. So this one, this lab, you're going to create one program, but within the lab I want you to create 2 methods. Remember, doing that is called modularity. All right, so I want you to use modularity when you're setting this up, and I'm actually going to walk through setting it up with you, since we're at the beginning of a new semester and maybe some of the stuff isn't as fresh on your brain. All right, so what I want you to do first is pull up this document and actually read through it. So it says open up NetBeans IDE and start a new project called ArraysReview. So I'm going to do that with you now. All right, so we're going to go here, click on our new project, and I'm going to call it ArraysReview. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all my comments, as you should too. And I know that it's going to be modular, so I quickly just want to show y'all how to set it up using modularity. All right, so first thing is, what are the 2 names of the methods? Evens and contains. So I know that inside my main method, I'm gonna need evens and contains, all right? And the reason it's mad and it doesn't like this is because we haven't actually created those methods. So right here, you are going to create the evens method. And then under that, create the contains method. All right, and remember to do that, it's just public static void evens. All right, because our main method is static, we need our other one to be static, and public static void contains. All right, so now I have created modularity, right? You can see now that evens and contains are happy because there's actually methods. So what you're going to do on the lab is you're going to read each one, and then you're actually going to do it. So for evens, fill in the code for the following method that takes an array of numbers and returns the number of even numbers in the array. All right, so you're going to create, well, I guess declare and initialize an array. All right, you're going to do that there. And then you're going to need a for loop to iterate through the array and print out any even numbers. Right? Isn't that what it wants us to do? Oh no, it wants to know how many even numbers. So you're going to need to go to iterate through the array and increase a counter every time you find an even number. So you're going to loop through, and every time the number is even, you're going to make sure that you so I'll just kind of, you know, you're going to have your iterator condition updates. All right, I'm not doing it for you, I'm just kind of helping you guys out, get you started. And then you're going to have like if number is even. So remember, to do that, we use this little thing called modulus, which is the %. If number is even, then you're gonna, you know, increase a counter. So you're also gonna have to declare and initialize a counter. So that'll kind of get you started. There's just a little bit of code to help. So let's take a look at contains, right? So if you scroll down, the second one, part B, is fill in the code for the following method. In the code, create an array of integers and also an int number that you will search the array for. All right, so kind of similar, guys. You're going to create an array, then you're going to loop through the array, and if you find the number you're looking for, you're going to say print out true or false. All right. So again, declare and initialize an array. Declare and initialize a number. If you want to use a scanner, you can. Like, I have the user tell you what number to look for, but that's up to you. I wasn't being too specific. If you just want to assign the number, that's completely okay with me. All right. So then you're going to go ahead and loop through the array. Return true. You're going to return true if you find the number, meaning it contains the number, or you're going to return, not really return, we're not returning, we're just printing. All right, just print, and then you're going to print false if the number is not found in the array, does not contain the number. All right, so that's a little bit of code just to kind of get you started. I know we've been on like a 2-week break, and things may have been filed away into a part of your brain that you're not ready to use them. But yeah, so I just want you to work through these 2 problems, do the best you can. Like I said, here's a video to help you out. If we end up needing a video where I walk through it a little bit more, or if we just want to walk through it together, we can. But I want you to give it your best shot. All right. Hope you guys are having a great new year. I'm looking forward to this semester. As always, drop or subscribe if you have not. Drop a like on the video, and I will see you next time.